First ingredient in our spice list, we have paprika. Now, first tip of the night, anytime I come across a recipe that says paprika, I don't use paprika. No, I don't. Well, sort of. I use smoked paprika every single time. If you look in the miscellaneous chapter, you will find that we have a recipe in there for our seasoning salt. We don't buy seasoning salt, and I use smoked paprika in that because you're gonna have more flavors. That's our first ingredient. We have some good old black pepper, so we're gonna put that in there. Next ingredient after that, a teaspoon of dry oregano, just from your spice rack, all right? Then we're gonna put in some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt going in there, just a basic spice mix, and then a little bit of heat. So if you're using the hot smoked paprika and it's hot already, you may not wanna use this part. This is the cayenne, okay? So this is the other reason why I buy the sweet smoked. I don't buy the hot smoked because if I want it hot, then I'll add cayenne. If you buy the hot smoked, then everything is always spicy. You don't maybe want everything always spicy. So buy the sweet smoked and then add cayenne if you want it hot. That's what we're gonna do here tonight. So half teaspoon if you want it mild, a full teaspoon if you want it spicy. Blend that up and you have a basic meat rub right there. So let's take our rub and put it on there. And yeah, go ahead and rub it. It's all good. They call it a rub for a reason. We wanna press it into the meat, right? And chances are you're gonna eat both sides of the meat. So what I want you to do is flip it over and season both sides of the meat. Go ahead and do that. So are you looking for a crust? Okay, so have a look here. See the crust? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful crust on both sides. Watch this. This has not been marinated. Take a little thin slice like that, dip it in your garlic butter, and put it in your mouth. Wow, that's so good.